guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the best electric scooter in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and many more. To find out more information about these electric scooter, you can check out the description below. If you want to get a best quality electric scooter according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide to buy. At the first position of our list, we have Unagi Model One. Thanks to its dual 250-watt motors, the Unagi Model One powers up hills with aplomb, zipping along twice as fast as other scooters with just a single motor. Using both motors, you can opt to use just one, causes the battery life to drop significantly lower than the scooter's advertised 15-mile range. The Unagi also has a great display that's bright enough to easily see even in daylight. We also liked its intuitive controls and loud, electric-sounding horn. It has both head and taillights, the latter of which blinks rapidly when you hit the brakes. We were also enamored with the Unagi's sleek design. Its carbon fiber front post changes in geometry from a circle to a triangular shape, making for an intriguing look. And on Unagi's site, you can personalize the look with custom skins. All of this comes at a price. The Model 1 cost $990. However, Unagi now has a scooter rental program in New York, Austin, Miami, Nashville, Phoenix, Seattle, and San Francisco, which lets you rent one of its scooters for $49/month or $39/month with an annual subscription. Moving on to the next at number 2 is Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max. The Segway Ninebot Kickscooter Max is large and heavy, more than 40 pounds, but it's all battery weight. With an estimated range of 40 miles, the Kickscooter Max is more than double the range of most other scooters, making it the best electric scooter for those who have long rides. Advertisement. And with a powerful rear-wheel drive 350-watt motor and large 10-inch inflatable tires, the Kickscooter Max will not only be able to get up hills with ease, but do so comfortably, too. In our test, it was second only to the Unagi in maintaining its speed as we went up steep inclines. We also really liked the Kickscooter Max's bell, which was beefy and loud enough to clear people out of our path. The number 3 position is held by Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite. The Swagtron Swagger 5 Elite is another affordable scooter, though this one is a little faster at a top speed of 18 mph. It's well equipped with a collapsible chassis, a 250-watt motor, and an air-filled front tire, which makes for a smooth ride. The Swagger 5 weighs 27.5 pounds and supports up to 320 pounds on the journey. It also comes with a shock-absorbent spring and a phone mount, which you can use to monitor the Swagger's top speed and battery power along with the Swagtron companion app. However, its range is a bit more limited, and it struggles up hills more than scooters such as the Glion Dolly. Next at number 4, we have Glion Dolly. Because of its ultra-folding design, the Glion Dolly is the best electric scooter for those who have to take it on public transportation. The Dolly is foldable, and at 27.3 pounds, it's light enough to cart up a flight of stairs on your way home. It can reach top speeds of 15 miles per hour and lasts for about 15 miles of roaming, which makes it a good fit for small city dwellers. Advertisement. The Dolly is a bright headlight and built-in tail reflector, helpful when riding home in the evening or in the winter months when the sun sets too early, as well as integrated fenders for protecting the wheels. You can also transport the Dolly like a suitcase when you're not riding it, and it comes with a kickstand so that it stays upright on its own. Perhaps the only drawback of the Glion Dolly are its small hard rubber wheels and lack of suspension, which makes for a bumpier ride than other electric scooters. The number 5 position is held by OUTSTORM fastest folding electric scooter. When moving up to the performance level of the e-scooter market, prices increase substantially. While the models found at the top end of the scale are indeed fast and powerful, they can also cost several thousands of dollars. The OUTSTORM Max Ultra High Speed flirts with the $2,000 price tag, but ultimately delivers a lot of bang for the buck, striking an intriguing middle ground when it comes to performance and cost. The Max provides a top speed of 56 mph and a range of up to 52 miles. This is achieved thanks to dual motors, which can produce as much as 3,200 watts of power at their highest level of output. It also allows the scooter to carry a maximum weight of 485 pounds and ride not only on paved surfaces, but also on dirt trails, gravel, and sand. This scooter features 3 different speed modes and 2 power modes, which made it easy to find a balance between speed and range. A digital readout prominently displays the scooter's speed and shows its battery life and distance traveled. A regenerative braking system feeds energy back into the battery, while a bright LED headlight makes riding at night safer. The Max also features a hydraulic shock system, 11-inch tires, durable running boards, and electronic cruise control. Finally, the number 6 position is dominated by Razer PowerCore Eon 100 electric scooter. While speed and range are of the utmost importance to adult riders, safety and stability are the chief concerns for kids. That design philosophy is evident with the Eon 100, an e-scooter that's sure to delight younger riders. The Eon 100 provides a top speed of 10 mph and offers a ride time of about 40 minutes between charges. Yes, the range of this model is measured in minutes rather than miles, which is another departure from the adult scooter market. 40 minutes of continuous use is a fairly long time by kids' standards, however, providing a reasonable amount of range before the battery runs dry. With its 8-inch pneumatic front tire, the Eon 100 provides a nice, smooth ride, coupled with the scooter's rear-wheel drive system. This shifts much of the weight to the back, enhancing stability and balance as a result. Hand brakes and a thumb throttle make learning to ride quick and easy too, making this a scooter even younger kids will feel comfortable and quite quickly. That's all for today. We upload all types of bike and bike accessories review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.